Lochani, my name is Thando Mahlangu and welcome to my channel. Yes, I will be teaching you about IsiNdebele. I get to say the words in IsiNdebele and say them again in English. And sometimes I get to put them in a sentence so that you can understand me better. Yes, Teacher Thando Mahlangu. Qabanga. I can say qabanga, ngicabangela. Think, consider, think for me. I'm gonna imagine, I can say think for me, imagine, consider. When I only just said in IsiNdebele, qabanga. I'm gonna ngicabangela. Think for me, imagine it, consider it, things like that, and then we'll come back to this one and say qabangela. Ngiyamqabangela, ngiyaqabanga. You can easily mean in English qabanga, it's a suspect. Think on behalf of something or on behalf of someone. Then we say qabangisisa. Think deeper about it. That's what I'm saying. Nangithi qabangisisa. Think deeper about it. And then when I say qabela, is to get in. We are when I say uyaqabela, I mean you are getting involved on things that don't need you to get involved in. But in IsiNdebele I said uthanda ukuqabela khulu, which means you like getting yourself involved, on things that you don't have to be involved. Basically, that's what I'm saying. Then when I come back, I say ngiqathekela. Pour for me a little bit, or pour for me, ngiqathekela. Iqathana lekuku, it's a piece of a chicken. Iqathana lekuku. Iqathana likama, it's a sleeping room. It's a place to sleep or a place to stay. Iqathana, And then when I say qaqisa, I mean explain to me. Explain it further. You can say in English, define it. Yes. Qaqisa. Or you can say clarify it for me, or make me understand. Ngiqaqisela. Guess in the bell I said ngiqaqisela. Define it for me, make me understand, explain it in simpler terms for me. Yes. And then when I say iqala, it's a crime. Yeah, iqala, it's a crime. And then when I say qala, I mean look at that, look at John. But in IsiNdebele I said qala uJohn. Qala uJohn. Look at John. Then it could mean again a crime. Iqala, a crime. Yes. And then iqachaza. Iqachaza, it's a dot namkana, or you can say it's a sport, or it's a full stop. Yes. Iqachaza. Iqacha. In IsiNdebele, when I say ngikhanukiqacha, you simply mean you want a porridge. Yeah, it's a porridge. Iqacha, it's a porridge. Let's meet again on episode 7. Yes.